Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will go through how to communicate between a Mitsubishi A series PLC and a Siemens ET200S Profibus I/O device. In GX Developer, we first want to add our modules to the PLC in the parameter list. I got my Profibus module on rack slot 4. We then want to download these parameters to the PLC. We can then jump over to GX Configurator DP and create a new project. Here, we want to read the modules from the PLC and select the Profibus module. Here, we can do some settings for the Profibus module, such as Profibus address and baud rate, but I will stick to the preset settings. For the A-series Profibus module, the block transfer is always set to input 0 and output 960. Now we want to add the GSD file for the ET200S device. I will leave a link in the description to download it. I will now add the GSD to the project. Here we need to set a Profibus slave address. I will set it to 3. It's important that we set the same address on the module's dip switches too. Next, we want to add the same modules we have on the Profibus device. I got 1 power module, 2 input modules, and 1 output module. On the slave user parameters, we want to stick with global. We can now download these configurations to the PLC. I will now open up GX Developer and create the program needed to communicate to the module. I have a more detailed video on my channel on how the program works. I will leave a link in the description if you want to learn how it works in detail. I will now download the program and go online and monitor it. If I now trigger my inputs, we will read the value from the device. I will now test out my Boolean memory bits to trigger the outputs. We can also trigger them via a device word tag too. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.